How to check if you've been blocked on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you the most reliable ways to tell if someone blocked you. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the person you suspect blocked you. After that, check if their profile picture is visible at the top. From there, if their display picture has disappeared, it could indicate they blocked you or removed their photo. At this point, send them a message and watch the tick marks. In the next step, if your message stays on a single gray tick and never shows two gray ticks for delivered, this is a strong indicator you're blocked. Following this, try creating a new WhatsApp group and add that contact. Once done, if you get an error message saying you can't add this contact, you are definitely blocked. From here, try calling them on WhatsApp as a final test. At this stage, if the call never rings and immediately ends, you're most likely blocked. These methods combined will help you determine if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. And that's it. If this blocking detection guide helped you confirm your suspicions, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.